Alright, you guys were asking what it looks like inside a Pennzoil filter. Well, I got one, and I decided to cut it open to show you what it looks like inside, because some of you were asking. Just gotta find my tool reel. There it is. Looks like it's got 1, 2, 3, 4 threads on the base plate. It's a pretty thick base plate. It's got some big holes in the end of it. The can feels really thick. It almost feels like a Bosch filter. It's a regular old thick base plate. It's got some weight to it, so that's pretty heavy. It's got a, feels like a rubber drain bag diaphragm. It's got a steel core center. Let's see if it's got really big, nice round holes. They're not small restricted holes like some of them you see. The bypass valve is in the bottom of it, which I don't really care for that design, but most of them do have that design. We've got a little button spring down here, bypass down here. It's got a lot of pleats to it. Very symmetrical, very clean. There's no glue hanging out of the ends of it. Very nice filter. And the can is very thick. It looks like it's got thicker can metal than most of these. So I'd say overall, that's a pretty good looking filter. I just wish the bypass was like the Ford filters in the end of it, but other than that, that'd probably be a really good filter to use. Alright, you guys were looking for me to cut it open, and there it is. Cut open.